Hello everyone. Every science enthusiast who is sitting right there wanting to know what is actually distillation. So my friends, hold your nerves because I am going to tell you about distillation and its process. What is distillation, how it works through a very simple science experiment. So my friends, let's start with this. The first thing what you are seeing actually on this screen is a beaker which is containing a mixture of water. This is mixture of liquids, and beneath that you can see right there is a candle. The candle has a flame and the flame keeps the boiling of the liquids. It is because why the water is boiling right now. So we have seen the mixture of liquids. Now we will see what exactly is happening inside the beaker. As you can see, the liquid inside the beaker is boiling and it is converting itself into vapors. And to monitor this, there is a device which you all know, it's known as the thermometer. And the thermometer keeps a track of exactly how much the temperature is. The rise in the temperature is monitored by the thermometer. Now you can see the cool water out. The cool water out and the cool water in. This is an assembly which has a motion where from one end the cold water gets in and from the other end the cold water gets out. And when these vapors, they travel from the passage between the cold water assembly, it gives us pure liquid. And my friends, this is distillation. I hope you all understood this, that the process of distillation and how it works. So do join me for the next topic, that is evaporation, which we will cover on the coming Wednesday. Thank you.